So hello and everyone, welcome to my channel. So I've come with a new video. So well, I can say that you are doing great, guys. I'm also doing great. So we are meeting here and I'm just making this video for that one, for those people who really want to learn the English language. I can say for the beginners one, or one who has started to learn the like English language, one who has just started the journey of the English language, and if they really wanted to learn about this language, if they are so much passionate to learn about this language, so for that I'm just making this video for that only. So first of all, I can say they have the fear. I'm just for today topics, and just like for today I'm just making the video. So the reason behind it, that why I'm just making the video, is that like most of the people, they are so much fear. They are just thinking that I'm not able to do anything in my life, and even though for learning English language they are hesitating so much that I'm just fearing a lot. And you know that why the people, they are just thinking about like that? Do you know the reason behind it? Because the people, one who has started to learn this language, one who has facing a lots of problem at the beginning time, at the first level, they are just thinking that I am fearing, I'm not able to speak English language. Because I can say that as a beginners, the people, one who has started, they will face the difficulties, they will face, but we should not have to overcome of that. For that, like people, they are thinking that no one is the good. I can say that they will think that I am very low, I'm not able to do anything. So the reason is that you should not have to think like that. Whatever you are knowing, you have to express all those things. Whatever you are knowing, like at the first time you will make the mistakes. We are the human one only, we will make the mistakes, but after doing a lots of mistakes, we will be overcome of that mistakes and can speak with a good English language. So that's why we should not have to fear like that, and we should be continue to our journey about the English language. Or whatever we are doing, we should have to continue in that journeys. We should not be go backward side, that I am the losers, I am not able to do, so that's why I cannot do anything in my life. You should not be think like that. Whatever you are knowing, you should have to express all those things. So the main motive thing that I just wanted to share in this video is that most of the people, they are just gonna to fears a lot. The main motive is that I just wanted to tell you guys, and the topic is that why the people, they are not able to speak very well English language, why the people, they are just fearing, because they just think in their mindset that I am the loser, I'm not able to do anything in my lives. Even though there is a lots of people in the lives, one who is really very great, and one who is really very speaking very well English language, like the native speakers. But it is also not like that. If we also wanted to success in our life, for that also we should have to do a lots of hard work. So like for doing also new thing, we should have to do a lots of hard work. After doing a lots of hard work, we can see a good result in ourselves. So for learning English language also, we should not have to fear. Whatever we are knowing, we should have to express all those things. For that, we have to practice a lot and have to do a lots of hard work. We should not have to fears. We should not have to think in mind that I'm not able to speak, I'm not able to overcome of the fear. So that's why I just stop, I just end the sessions now, and I cannot be continuing the English conversation. But do you know that how much importance English is, that you can't